Welcome back, everybody. We found some totems. Now we can use them to get past some of these enemies. So let's use our totems. We're gonna start introducing conditionals. So let's take a look at what we've got. Use a conditional. Figure out if you need to cast a spell. Okay, perfect. Make sure you sneak when you use Cast Illusion Mist. Yep, we're going to distract the Tengshe, sneak past him. So this one shouldn't be too hard. Let's take a look at what happens on the first one, and then we'll decide what to do. So he's just going to move up. So in this if statement, what we've seen is the if else, right? We talked about that when we learned conditionals. If he's close, we're going to cast mist and sneak, illusion mist, and sneak up. And if he's not close, we're going to walk past him. So in this case, it's going to work perfectly. So we need to get up to this point. So let's end that. And so we should move up. It looks like 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So move up 3 and then right 1, 3. Right 1. Good. Let's see if that gets us into position. And then we can check that. Oh, perfect. That's going to get us right there. Okay. So, I'm going to show you 2 ways we can do this. We can rewrite everything, or it's totally okay, and real developers would copy and paste. So let's rewrite it all. So let's change enemy to identify this Tengshe, because right now we're still targeting that one. So enemy equals hero dot find nearest enemy. Perfect. Okay. So distance will be hero. And if you recall, the reason we're not writing let or var at the beginning is because we're not making new variables. We're just changing what they're targeting. To get distance to, and then let's say enemy. Bingo. Woo! Okay. So if distance is less than 3, apologize if you hear my daughter there. If, and remember we have to open our parentheses, yes. Distance equals less than. Remember, less than the pointy side of the caret, because it's smaller than the big side, is going to be pointing at the less than, meaning we read left to right. Less than 3. We're going to open, and I don't do it like other people. I know that you guys have seen, in my class have seen this. I like to have a new line for my curly brackets. I find that easier to read. That's just me personally. So if it's closer, let's hero dot cast illusion mist on enemy. Perfect. And then we should, what did I just do? And then we should sneak up, or sneak right in this case, right? 2. We can close our curly bracket, put our else, and then now that we have that open, otherwise he's just going to move right 2. 2. Close our curly bracket. That should get us to this point right here, and then we can consider our next step. So as we can tell by the shape of this, he's going to check the enemies far away. Let's take a look and see if we can get a scenario. Yep, look, we get the sneak dotted line, our trail. Perfect. That's what I want to see. For those of you guys hearing that, my daughter is not saying die, she's saying that. Just saying. I know it's weird. So let's end this. So before we go, let's move right 2. 2, and we're gonna move down 2. And that should get us to right here. And it does. Perfect, perfect. And then the other reason I said that I'm going to show you another way we can do this is we're going to copy this. So I've hit Control C. Let's get some space, because white space can be your friend in separating what you're doing. And then we only have to sneak down. We only have to sneak or move down. So once we've changed all of these, the code's the same. This code is going to check the nearest enemy. The new nearest enemy is this Tengshe. So we're done. This code's going to get the distance to our new nearest enemy, who is this enemy, Tengshe. And then we know that depending on if he's close or not, we want to sneak or move down. And then let's go ahead and see if we can finish that off with one more move down. That should get us to the end. If I haven't put a bug in my code, which, as my students know, I never make a mistake, so there would never be a bug in my code. There we go. So we got past the second Tengshe. We're gonna stop here. It should check and see that he's close and then sneak. Yep, and we have the trail showing that that's what we've done. He's gonna walk right to the end. So hopefully that helps you. Watch Out Tengshe is the level, and I will see you in the next one.